What are you doing? That's a funny story. Are you growling? You're silly. What are you doing? Gianna? Hi, Gianna. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Good girl. What else do you have for me? You don't really want to lick that. Or maybe you do. What do you got? What do you got? What? Yeah, really. Is that so? How you doing? Huh? Hi, pretty girl. What else? What else? You've been talking away today, huh? Yes. You're getting to be such a big girl. Yeah. Really?